Hey, it's Randy from Voices, and today we're diving into the exciting world of scratch tracks. First, what are scratch tracks? Well, scratch tracks, they're temporary recordings that are used during the early stages of a production. They basically provide a placeholder or a reference for the final voiceover, music, or sound effects. Now, scratch tracks play a really vital role in helping creatives, whether they're video producers, game developers, animators, to bring their vision to life. Now, scratch tracks are typically created using temporary voiceover recordings. They're often done by non-professional voice actors, even members of the video production team. These recordings are there to capture the timing, the pacing, and the overall tone required for the project. Now, although scratch tracks aren't really intended to make it to the final part of the project, they're an invaluable part of the pre-production and early production stages. They really help establish the rhythm and the flow of the project, which allows the creative team to make more informed decisions and to iterate on their work. Okay, picture this. A video editor is assembling the footage for a promotional video. They need to precisely time the visuals to match the voiceover narration. By using a scratch track, they can adjust the timing, they can create seamless transitions, and they can get a feel for how the final voiceover will fit into the project. Scratch tracks also play a really significant role in game development. Imagine a game developer working on a character's dialogue. By using temporary scratch recordings, they can implement dialogue sequences, test the pacing, and ensure that the narrative aligns with the gameplay experience. Scratch tracks really help with collaboration among team members because it allows them to experiment, refine ideas, and provide clear direction. By sharing these temporary, more disposable kind of recordings, the entire team can contribute feedback and make adjustments before investing the time and the resources into the final production. Now, scratch tracks are especially useful when presenting project ideas to clients. They help communicate the overall audio concept, ensuring that everyone's really on the same page before moving forward. Clients can also provide input and give approvals based on the direction set by the scratch track. So whether you're producing videos, creating games, or animating stories, scratch tracks are really an essential tool to the creative process, and ultimately they may help shape your final masterpiece. Also, if you're in need for professional voiceover talent to voice your projects, remember to visit voices.com, where you'll find a wide range of talented voice actors ready to bring your vision to life. Voices.